Hi everyone, it's Anya from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my kitchen. Today I am really excited to share this simple recipe with you. It's for a garlic sauce. It's oil-free and it's 100% plant-based, vegan, and it's really tasty and delicious. So if you're trying to get away from traditional aioli that is full of eggs, etc., then this is a great alternative for you. It's really tasty and, like I said, really quick and easy to make. So let's get into the recipe. So for this recipe today, I'm using a blender. You could use a small blender or a large, it's totally up to you, or even a food processor will do the job as well. So to start with, depending on how garlicky you like your sauce, and I like mine very garlicky. That's the point of a garlic sauce, right? So today I am using 4 very large cloves of garlic. So they are going into the blender. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And then I'm also adding in 300 grams of silken tofu. So I've drained the excess liquid off this and it just has a nice soft texture, but you don't want too much liquid in there, otherwise it'll just end up like a dressing rather than a creamier type of aioli type of sauce. So that is what I've done here, but if you don't use soy or you want an alternative, you can also try things like a drained can of cannelini beans, some white beans, or you could try using a potato. If you've got boiled potato that's been peeled, throw one of those in and it blends up perfectly as well. So just adjust it to your taste, adjust it to whatever ingredients you have on hand, and if you have any allergies, there's some alternatives for you to work with as well. Now I've just noticed there is a little bit of excess liquid pooling at the bottom of this, so I'll just drain that off because really I want this as dry as possible so it goes nice and creamy. So then add that to the blender. And then normally I try to avoid cooking with salt, but for this I just find the salt is really a nice combination with the garlic. It brings out that garlicky flavor, and I try to stick to a rule of not having more than about ½ a teaspoon of salt each day. So by doing this, I'm actually adding in 1 teaspoon of salt, but I'm going to use this as a condiment. I'm not going to eat the whole lot in one go. So think of this as a condiment, and I'm adding in some salt, but if you're avoiding salt, maybe try some miso paste instead. So that's a good alternative as well, and it adds a very unique flavor to the sauce. So that's always an option. So 1 teaspoon of salt going in, and then just give this a blend up. Okay, so this has been blending for about 30 seconds, but it may take a little bit longer depending on the type of blender that you're using. And oh, it is so creamy and delicious. It smells divine, and I need to have a taste. Oh my gosh. Oh, I have to go and boil some potatoes so I can pour these all over them. You'll love this. Give it a try. If you are a garlic fan, then I'm sure you're going to absolutely put this on everything. I love it on sweet potatoes. I put it on my vegetables. I use it as a salad dressing with spiralized zucchini. It's absolutely delicious on anything and everything. So please give it a try and join the Facebook group as well. I'll leave a link below, and please post a photo of what you make and what you use this on. It's just absolutely yum. I'm going to go and make my lunch now so I can go and pour this all over it. So enjoy the recipe, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I'd love to have you here for all of my regular recipes coming up. Okay, have a fantastic day and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Mwah.